about birds, and we made birdcraft. And when we watched bird video, we learned about it, and then it have feathers, beak, and we learned all about birds. Birds have the birds that can fly, like pigeon and parrots and eagle, but some can't fly, like flamingo, penguin, and ostrich. Birdhouse. When we build a birdhouse, we use cotton balls, box, paint, and popsicle sticks. But when we did craft, we did lots of crafts and we learned a lot about birds. I like the seeds because birds love seeds and they, like humans, love eating food.
Birds also need to eat, drink, and have air, so it's good to help the environment for birds too.
You can help the birds and humans and all the animals, like everyone, like all the animals.
Did you guys have fun?
Yes. If you help the earth, that means that you'll also be helping everything on the earth. So you need to help birds because that means you're going to help the earth.